Imagine reaching all your clients with just one click. Mass emails save time and ensure consistent communication. Stay top of mind with your clients effortlessly, enhancing your real estate business's efficiency and effectiveness. Discover BoldTrail's user-friendly interface designed for efficiency. With pre-built templates tailored for real estate needs, crafting professional emails is a breeze. Plus, the AI Smart Assistant personalizes your messages, making each email feel unique and engaging. See how the AI Smart Assistant can personalize your messages. It analyzes client data to tailor content, ensuring relevance and increasing engagement. This feature transforms mass emails into personalized communication, enhancing client relationships. Crafting engaging subject lines and content is crucial. Capture attention with compelling words. Segment your audience for targeted messaging, ensuring each email resonates with its recipient. This strategy boosts open rates and client interaction. Utilize analytics to track and improve your email performance. Analyze open rates, click-throughs, and engagement metrics. This data-driven approach allows you to refine strategies, ensuring your emails consistently hit the mark. Recap: mass emails are a game changer for your business. By using BoldTrail, you'll streamline communication and boost engagement. These tools empower you to connect effectively with your clients, enhancing your professional reach. Take action. Log in to BoldTrail and send your first mass email now. Experience the ease and efficiency of reaching your entire client base with just a few clicks. Transform your communication strategy today. By embracing BoldTrail's mass email feature, you'll enhance client relationships and grow your business. Start your journey towards more effective communication now. Let's make your real estate business thrive together. Explore the step-by-step guide below by scrolling down.